How to change your Viber account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can change your Viber account quickly and easily. Whether you are switching to a new number or just want a fresh start, this guide will walk you through every steps. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Viber app on your phone and make sure that you are connected to your account. And once you are inside the app, simply tap on the three dot icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you see the interface like this, simply tap on the option label settings. And in the settings section, you can simply tap on the option label account. And this is where you manage everything related to your Viber account. And now to change your account, you'll need to deactivate your current one. So tap on deactivate account and enter the number of your current account. And after entering it, simply tap on deactivate account and confirm your decision by simply tapping on deactivate again. And once your account is deactivated, restart the Viber app and enter your new phone number and follow the on-screen instruction to verify it, and you will receive a confirmation code via SMS or phone. Just enter it and you are all set. And if you have backed off your chats, the Viber will give you an option to restore them. Otherwise, you can start fresh and customize your new account as you like. And just like that, you have successfully changed your Viber account in just few simple steps. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.